had to make this video. I had to make the video because we got to talk about AMC, right? So AMC finished in the red today. We finished around $11.50 a share. Keep in mind, their earnings report was yesterday. Now, AMC blew out their earnings. They did an amazing job. They have quadrupled their income since 2020. They have doubled their income since 2021, and they are projected to be at pre-pandemic levels by the end of Q4 2022, right? So how can a company that is obviously in a strong position, in a fundamentally strong position, be on a downtrend? How can a company that has paid off $45 million of their debt, right, in Q1 alone, and is expecting to pay off $120 million of their $272 million debt by the end of Q4 2022, right? So this is the same thing that happened in pre-housing market crash 2007. The individual who said that the housing market was going to crash, the housing market is going to crash, the housing market is going to crash, no one believed him. No one believed him, right? But then 2008, the second quarter of 2008, we seen what happened. Now, AMC is still a strong squeeze play, and that is why Yahoo News, CNN, all of these companies, all of these big news outlets don't want us to trade it. They just don't want us in it. Now, the reason for it is because the company that is shorting AMC is called Citadel. Citadel is a huge hedge fund that is known for shorting companies down to nothing. Now, this company predicted that the theater companies were going to be out of business because of the pandemic, and they thought that streaming was just the way of the future. Now, that's not that for me not to say that streaming is not important. Yes, but what they didn't realize is that it's not about the movie, it's about people getting out. It's about the experience. And we've seen what happened last week. We've seen what happened a couple weeks ago with Netflix when the stock plummeted down to sub $200 levels, and it had not been in sub $200 levels since 2018. So we see that people are still going out to the movies, right? Now, keep in mind, Citadel is also a market maker. A market maker is the people that control the volume within that stock. So how can a company short it and also control the volume? Now, what makes this a short squeeze play? What makes this a strong play? And what makes AMC going to create generational money for my family to live their best life for years to come, right? Because the retail traders like me, we own the float. The float is all the shares on the open market. Keep in mind, when you short sell a stock, you have to buy back those shares. Now, if we own the float, then who sets the price? Exactly. Now, this company, Citadel, multi-billion-dollar company, multi-billion-dollar hedge fund. That's why they keep trying to pull us down. That's why they keep trying to short AMC. But you got to keep in mind, you have to pay to short a stock. You have to pay for that, and they are paying millions and millions of dollars a day just to keep shorting this stock. But like I said, Citadel being a multi-billion-dollar company, they can do this. We've seen what happened to Melvin Capital. Melvin Capital was down 56%. They were down 56% by the end of Q4 2021, right? 56%. Billions. They were down billions. They are down. And what happened? Because they betted against AMC and they betted against GME. And the thing is, the same thing that happened to Lehman Brothers in 2008 is the same thing that's going to happen to Citadel And I can't say 2022. I can't say 2023. I can't say 2024 because I don't know. But what I do know is that when they do buy back those shares and we short squeeze to the moon, all I know is that the people who held strong, who was diamond hands the whole time, who knew what AMC was worth, we are the ones that are going to change our family's life forever. And the thing is that, keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. I am a finance major, my G. So at the end of the day, do your own due diligence and take everything I say with a grain of sand, G. But I'm just keeping it 100, and I'm passionate about what I talk about because I love this, right? That AMC and GME are going to be the biggest transfer of wealth in American stock market history. That's why I'm in this. And if I have to wait 3 to 4 years to change my family's generational income for years to come, I don't mind. Because what is it worth? I can't take this all with me. So, like I said, do your own due diligence. Like I said, I'm about to get off my soapbox. Much love to all of y'all. I'm out.